Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to talk to you about something that I'm sure many of you have experienced in your life, being underestimated by others. You know what I'm talking about, right? When someone looks at you and thinks that you're not good enough, not smart enough, not talented enough, not worthy enough. When someone doubts your abilities, your potential, your dreams. When someone tries to put you down, discourage you, or make you feel small. How does that make you feel? Angry? Sad? Frustrated? Or maybe even motivated? Yes, motivated. Because sometimes, being underestimated by others can be the best thing that ever happened to you. Why? Because it can give you the fuel to prove them wrong. To show them what you're capable of. To achieve things that they never thought possible. To say, watch me. That's right. Watch me. Watch me work hard. Watch me learn new skills. Watch me overcome challenges. Watch me grow and improve. Watch me succeed and shine. Watch me turn your underestimation into my motivation. But how do you do that? How do you use the underestimation of others as your fuel to achieve your goals? Well, here are some tips that I've learned from my own experience and from some of the most successful people in the world who have faced underestimation and overcome it. Tip 1. Don't take it personally. The first thing you need to do is to not take the underestimation of others personally. Don't let it affect your self-esteem or your self-confidence. Don't let it make you doubt yourself or your abilities. Don't let it define who you are or what you can do. Remember, the underestimation of others is not a reflection of you, but a reflection of them. It's their problem, not yours. It's their ignorance, their insecurity, their jealousy, their fear. It's their limitation, not yours. So don't take it personally. Instead, take it as a challenge. A challenge to prove them wrong. A challenge to show them what you're made of. A challenge to become the best version of yourself. Tip 2. Focus on your goals. The second thing you need to do is to focus on your goals. Don't let the underestimation of others distract you or derail you from your path. Don't let it consume your energy or your attention. Don't let it make you lose sight of what matters most to you. Instead, focus on your goals. Focus on what you want to achieve, why you want to achieve it, and how you're going to achieve it. Focus on the actions that will get you closer to your desired outcome. Focus on the results that will make you proud and happy. Focus on your goals, because they are the reason why you're doing what you're doing. They are the reason why you're working hard, learning new skills, overcoming challenges, growing and improving. They are the reason why you're succeeding and shining. Focus on your goals, because they are the best way to silence the doubters and the haters. Tip 3. Celebrate your achievements. The third thing you need to do is to celebrate your achievements. Don't let the underestimation of others make you feel like you're not good enough or not worthy enough. Don't let it make you minimize or dismiss your accomplishments. Don't let it make you forget how far you've come and how much you've done. Instead, celebrate your achievements. Celebrate every milestone, every progress, every success that you've made along the way. Celebrate every time that you've proved them wrong or showed them what you're capable of. Celebrate every time that you've achieved something that they never thought possible. Celebrate your achievements, because they are the proof of your hard work, your skills, your potential, your dreams. They are the proof of who you are and what you can do. Celebrate your achievements, because they are the best way to inspire yourself and others. So there you have it. 3 tips on how to use the underestimation of others as your fuel to achieve your goals. I hope this video was helpful and motivational for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. And remember, don't let anyone tell you what you can or can't do. Don't let anyone underestimate you or hold you back. Instead, use their underestimation as your motivation. And say, watch me.